December, while the discussion on 75 glorious years of the Constitution of India was being held in Parliament, Home Minister Sri Amit Shah made certain disparaging and disgraceful comments on the father of Indian Constitution, Baba said Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. He said, and I quote, "It is fashion to say Ambedkar, 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 and Ambedkar. If God's name is taken so many times, then they would have attained heaven for 7 times. The tone and tenor of these remarks were clearly satirical in nature and were made in very bad taste. This is highly condemnable." After that, the Congress President Sri Mallikarjun Kharge demanded an unconditional apology by Sri Amit Shah and also demanded his immediate resignation. But instead of dismissing his Home Minister for such defamatory comments, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi resorted to brazenly defend Sri Amit Shah by doing 6 tweets. On 19 December, Congress party gave a privileged notice against Sri Amit Shah in Rajya Sabha. MP of the India bloc were peacefully protesting against this attack on the Constitution. But in a clear-cut conspiracy to set Sri Amit Shah, BJP MPs were sent with rods and sticks at the market Dawa. Placards with rods and sticks are not allowed according to the security protocol of the parliament. But BJP MPs were allowed to bring them. They created ruckus, pushed our leaders, Congress President Sri Mallikarjun Kharge, who sat on the ground and got injured. Later, a chair was brought in for him. AICC General Secretary Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Bodraji was leading the protest with several women MPs, and several male BJP MPs pushed and misbehaved with them. Instead of taking action, BJP blamed the leader of opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhiji, shamelessly lying that we created a commotion. The core issue, as our leader Sri Rahul Gandhiji highlighted, was BJP's grand plan to subvert from real issues like Adani and Manipur. Therefore, we condemn the statement of Sri Amit Shah in Parliament against the father of the Constitution, Baba said Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji, and we demand immediate resignation of the Home Minister Sri Amit Shah. We will do everything possible to resist any onslaught on our Constitution and democracy.